Got the C5 Corvette. Front bumper is off of it. Finally getting ready to rebuild this puppy. If you're here for just the headlight cover removal, let's get into it. So, got a T15 Torx. I got two of them on this backside right here, so we're gonna start by taking those out. Number 2. And pretty sure it's basically that easy, is it not? Nope. Something's holding it up under here. Alright, so it sure feels like it's hanging up right here. So I'm going to take out this Phillips, and then I think this plastic should ride with it, honestly. Acting like it just wants to strip naturally. Oh! Goodness gracious. Woo! Alright. So you see I took these two Phillips screws out right here. It wasn't the easiest thing I've done, but it's also not the hardest. Hey, look, there's another Torx hidden under there. That's what's holding them. Dag nabbit. Ow! Gosh. Right on the toe, man. Forget, even though you couldn't see that, the extension was so long, the ratchet was hitting this thing, so I couldn't get it in. And then I set the ratchet down to go get a new extension, and it teetered over and fell right on my foot. T15 again. T15 just took it out right there where my finger's at. Now let's see what happens. Okay. Okay. Oh. Now look. Now we can take that little piece off there, and voila, we have the cap off of the pop-up headlight. All right, to recap, 1, try not to throw tools on your feet because it didn't feel good. You have 2 T15 Torxes in the rear right here that we took out first. Then you pull these 2 Phillips screws on this plastic cover, and whenever you do that, it drops down, and there's 1/3 T15 that was under there, and then you just pop it out. In my case, this bumper beam was smashed up, so I had to jiggle it out of there pretty carefully, but it'll be a lot easier if your bumper is intact. And that's that. That's how you pop a headlight cover off of a C5 Corvette.